Imagine a world where your laptop feels like a relic of the past. A world where a single sheet of glass and titanium delivers more power than most desktop workstations. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we're not just looking at a tablet, we're looking at the future of mobile computing. The leaks are out, the benchmarks are shattered, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially ready to claim its throne. If you think the iPad Pro is the gold standard, you might want to sit down for this one. Samsung has gone back to the drawing board to create a device that doesn't just compete, it dominates. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this is the only upgrade that matters in 2026. We've seen the evolution from the S9 to the S11, but the S12 Ultra is a different beast entirely. Let's start with the thing you'll be staring at for hours, the display. Samsung is reportedly introducing a no-notch Tandem OLED panel. For years, that little camera cutout has been the one compromise on an otherwise perfect screen. Not anymore. By utilizing a second-generation under-display camera, or UDC 2.0, Samsung has managed to hide the sensors behind the pixels without sacrificing image quality. We're talking about a 14.6-inch canvas with a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're editing 8K video under the direct California sun or catching a movie in a dark room, this Tandem OLED technology provides deeper blacks and more vibrant highlights than anything we've seen before. It's not just a screen, it's a window into another dimension. But a beautiful screen is nothing without the muscle to back it up. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, a chipset specifically optimized for Samsung's Galaxy AI ecosystem. This isn't just a minor clock speed bump. We are seeing architectural shifts that prioritize neural processing. This is vital because the S12 Ultra is expected to ship with up to 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM. You heard that right, 24 GB. That is more memory than many high-end MacBooks. Why does a tablet need that much power? The answer lies in Neural DeX. Samsung is evolving its desktop mode to run entirely on AI-driven multitasking. Imagine opening 20 Chrome tabs, a professional video editor, and a 3D rendering suite simultaneously without a single frame drop. The S12 Ultra doesn't just handle tasks, it eats them for breakfast. Now, let's talk about the build. Samsung is moving away from traditional aluminum and embracing grade 5 titanium. This isn't just about the cool factor or matching the latest smartphones, it's about structural integrity. By using titanium, Samsung has managed to make the S12 Ultra even thinner, reportedly coming in at just 5.1 mm, while making it significantly more resistant to bends and scratches. When you hold this in your hand, it feels like a precision-engineered instrument. It's light enough for a one-handed sketch but rugged enough for a construction site or a high-pressure boardroom. Speaking of sketching, the S Pen Pro 3 is set to debut alongside this tablet. This isn't your average stylus. The new S Pen features advanced haptic feedback that mimics the physical sensation of different textures. If you select a charcoal tool in an art app, the pen will vibrate subtly to give you the drag of charcoal on paper. If you switch to a fountain pen, it feels smooth and fluid. This level of sensory immersion is something the competition simply hasn't mastered yet. Combined with a rumored 0.9 millisecond latency, the gap between digital and physical art has finally vanished. For the professionals watching, the connectivity suite is where the S12 Ultra truly shines. We are looking at Wi-Fi 7 as a standard, ensuring that your cloud workflows are instantaneous. But the real kicker is the port. Rumors suggest a dual USB-C setup or a single Thunderbolt 4 compatible port capable of driving two 4K external monitors natively. This effectively turns the Tab S12 Ultra into a modular workstation. Plug it in at the office, and you have a triple screen setup, unplug it, and you have the world's most powerful creative tablet. Of course, all this power requires a massive amount of energy. Samsung isn't playing around with the battery life. We're expecting a 12,000 mAh cell, but the real story is the charging speed. After years of sticking to 45W, the S12 Ultra is finally rumored to support 80W ultra-fast charging. You'll be able to go from 0 to 50% in less than 20 minutes. For someone on the move, that's the difference between being tethered to a wall and having the freedom to create anywhere. We also have to touch on the Galaxy AI 3.0. This isn't just about moving objects in photos anymore. The S12 Ultra will feature real-time, on-device video translation and live meeting synthesis. Imagine being in a Zoom call with partners from Tokyo, Berlin, and New York. The tablet will not only translate their speech in real time with zero lag but will also generate a formatted summary, action items, and a follow-up email draft before the call even ends. This is the pro and productivity that we've been waiting for. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the price? Quality like this doesn't come cheap. In the US market, we expect the base 256GB model to start around $1,299, with the 2TB per 24GB RAM Extreme Edition reaching upwards of $1,999. It's a steep investment, but when you consider that this device replaces your laptop, your drawing tablet, and your media center, the value proposition starts to look very different. The competition is sweating. Apple's M5 iPad Pro is a beast, but it's still held back by iPadOS. Samsung, on the other hand, is leaning into the openness of Android 16 and One UI 8.1, giving users the file management and windowing freedom they actually need. The Tab S12 Ultra isn't trying to be a companion device, it's trying to be your only device. As we look toward the official launch, likely in late summer 2026, the excitement is reaching a fever pitch. Every leak confirms that Samsung is no longer playing it safe. They are swinging for the fences, aiming to create the ultimate computing machine. Whether you're a digital artist, a software developer, or a student who wants the absolute best, the S12 Ultra is looking like the undisputed heavyweight champion of the tablet world. Before we wrap this up, I want to hear from you. Is the no-notch display enough to make you switch from Apple? Or are those 24GB of RAM the real selling point for your workflow? Drop a comment below and let's get the discussion started. We read every single one of your thoughts, and your feedback helps us bring you the best tech coverage on the planet. Thanks for tuning into this deep dive on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you these exclusive looks at upcoming tech. Don't forget to subscribe to TechVibe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update in this fast-moving world of innovation. We have a lot more coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep catching those tech vibes. I'm out.